Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about solving brand registry issues, Amazon Seller's Guide to Suspensions and Denials. Let's get into it. Today, we're diving into some of the common issues you might face with Amazon's brand registry, including suspensions and denials, and how you can resolve them. If you've ever been stuck trying to add a new user to your brand registry and received a denial, or if you've had issues with your account being suspended, don't worry, you're not alone. This is something a lot of sellers run into, and it can be frustrating when Amazon denies access for seemingly no reason. One of the first things you should check is whether there's a suspension issue in another country. I've seen this happen often, especially with accounts that might be suspended in Canada or other regions. If there's a suspension tied to your account in another country, it can affect your brand registry access across all regions. It's definitely worth checking to see if your account has been suspended in countries like Canada. This is often the root cause of many problems when trying to add users or make changes to your brand registry. If you suspect there's a suspension issue, your best bet is to file a technical ticket with Amazon. Just make sure to clearly explain the problem and request that they look into your account status to resolve the issue. Another point to consider is checking the status of your brands. Sometimes brand registry issues arise if any of your brands have been revoked or flagged for issues like trademark problems or infringement claims. Amazon can suspend brand registry access if they believe there's an infringement issue or if they see repeated reports of violations. This could also impact your ability to add new users or make changes. If you've reported too many infringements in the past, it's possible that Amazon may have placed restrictions on your account for this reason. So before reaching out to Amazon, check the health of all your registered brands to ensure everything is in good standing. If you're still facing issues after checking all this, don't hesitate to file a technical ticket and ask for clarification. Explain exactly what you're experiencing and ask for a detailed reason behind the denial or suspension. Sometimes getting more specifics from Amazon can help you understand what's going wrong and how to fix it. They usually offer a review of your account, and with the right information, you can resolve the issue more quickly. Brand registry problems can be tough to navigate, but by taking these steps, you'll be able to troubleshoot the most common issues and move forward with your business. If you've dealt with something similar, feel free to leave a comment below. I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions or want help growing your brand on Amazon, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.